If you're artistic and creative and love chocolate, you have got to try this gorgeous chocolate faulty line cake. Oh my goodness. Start with your basic chocolate cake and we are going to layer it filled with buttercream icing. Using a food piping bag for ease to just pipe it on top of each layer. Keep going as much as you like. We're doing 3 layers. Using a spinning plate, we can just easily pipe on the rest of the buttercream icing around the outside and then use a flat knife or spatula to smooth it all over. Ready to decorate with your chocolate. We're using Merci chocolates and Maltesers. You can of course use any chocolate bars or pieces of chocolate that you like. Stick them on. Then add some more chocolate buttercream beneath and above and smooth it over. On top as well, because we're going to decorate the top with, yes that's right, more chocolate buttercream. We are piping it on with a serrated edge nozzle to create a beautiful effect and adding a chocolate on top of each. And there you have it. Fit for a queen, or maybe a princess, or a prince, or even a king. Who knows? I think I'll just eat it all myself. Fault line cakes are an absolute legend and a treat for the eyes. So easy to make, and Nyam Nyam will show you how. All you need is some buttercream and some food colouring. We're using pink food colouring. Stir that in so we get a lovely pink buttercream icing colour. Put that aside. Time for our vanilla cake. We're going to slice that up in half. And in between our layers, we're going to add our buttercream icing. Using our plain coloured buttercream icing for this bit. Smoothing it out evenly using a spatula or flat knife. Smoothing it over the sides. Adding layer upon layer of vanilla cake and buttercream icing. Smooth all around the edges. And on the top. Right, now time to add our pink buttercream icing. That goes all around the side of the cake, just in the middle section. Smoothing it down over the white buttercream icing. Time to add our sprinkles. And of course, don't forget our pearls. Adding that around the middle part where our pink buttercream icing is. And we're going to use a food piping bag to squirt in some more pink buttercream icing all the way around the edge of our cake, starting from the bottom. And we're going to add several layers, one on top of the other, until we reach our sprinkles. Now this step gets repeated on the top of the cake. Again, several layers of pink buttercream icing until we reach where our sprinkles are. Now we're going to smooth those layers over from the top and the bottom of the cake using a flat knife or spatula. Careful not to let it go over the sprinkles. Now we can use a plastic sheet to just tidy it up and flatten it out, covering any gaps that might be there. Adding some pink buttercream icing, of course, on the top of our cake. Swirling out in a spiral shape from the centre outwards. Covering the entire cake in pink buttercream icing. And again smoothing it out with a spatula. Add a few big pearls for finishing touches. Gorgeous. Now we're going to use some gold food colouring to just paint the rim where our pink buttercream icing meets our sprinkle and pearl section. Creating a kind of a wavy effect on the edge. It doesn't have to be perfectly straight by any means. Taking care as we do this. And there. It's ready to roll. Stunning! Look at that masterpiece. sprinkly, pearly, pink delight. Let's get zesty with this fantastic orange faulty line cake. As per usual, Nyam Nyam is bringing the best recipes to life. Start with a basic vanilla cake or a cake of your choice and layer with yellow buttercream icing. Nice and bright. Use a food piping bag for ease. Cover the outside of the cake too in a thin layer of buttercream icing and smooth it over. Once that's done, you can add some orange slices. Whole slices, half, quarter, whatever you like, around the middle of your cake. Make sure you leave a gap underneath and above. Do you know why? Because we're going to add more buttercream icing. Dark yellow underneath and a lighter yellow on top. Smoothing both of those over. And then painting around the edges with some gold food colouring. The devil's in the detail. Using a thin-tipped paintbrush to do this will make it much easier. And adding some orange slices on top for a finishing touch. Lovely. Why not a few edible flowers too? There you go, edible leaves as well. You can even add a few sprigs of mint, a few slices of lemon, some sprinkles, whatever makes it look refreshing, really. And then dig in. Look at that tripled layered gorgeousness. Are you ready to make this super spooky ghost eye faulty line cake? It is faulty, but faultless at the same time. Let's start with a plain vanilla cake, or any cake of your choice. We're going to layer it with white buttercream icing. Go crazy with your colours if you like, it's all up to you. Even use cream cheese. Covering the entire outside of the cake too. Getting it ready to decorate. Sticking on some fondant dyes around the edge. And some chocolate sprinkles, just slap them on like so. Get the kids involved with this one, they'll have loads of fun making this. Add some more buttercream around the bottom and the top. Smooth that over. There you've created your faulty line. And some red chocolate ganache dripping down the sides to look like blood. Piping on some black buttercream icing. Nice serrated edge nozzle there so you get this gorgeous effect. And sticking on a few fondant eyeballs. The kids will definitely have loads of fun with this one. There you have it. Absolutely spooktastic. Enjoy!